that?
Hi, my name is Elizabeth Messick, and I am a professional magician and singer, and I am here with my mom, Mirna. Our family is from Honduras.
Honduras is a beautiful small country. It's very humid. We do have beautiful beaches that you can go and visit, and the people are very nice and humble.
And they love to dance.
We have a very small menu in Honduras. We eat rice and beans, of course, some pupusas, but usually pupusas are from El Salvador, but we have adapted to them.
Have you ever tried like vegan pupusas?
No, I never have.
Neither have I.
I don't know what vegan is, to tell you the truth. I really don't.
And how do you say abracadabra in Spanish?
Abracadabra.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra!
What is that?
Well, this here is spinach, this is mushroom, and then we have squash.
Mushroom? But if I eat one of those, I might get high.
I don't know how you know that. The spinach.
Okay.
There you go.
Gracias.
We are little Popeyes today.
What makes it a good pupusa is to be crunchy on the outside, cabbage on top, and some salsa.
Sauce me up.
Yeah, that's the best part. Let's try it.
Oh yeah, I'm left-handed.
Oh, it's actually good. I like it a lot. And it has beans inside.
This is really good, actually.
Muy rico.
What would your family say if you said, "Oh, I'm bringing vegan pupusas over"?
Now, because they probably gonna see me eating it, and if I approve to it, they know it's good.
The next one we're gonna try is hongos, mushroom.
Actually, I do not like mushrooms,
Oh, okay. We'll see what
but I'm
happens.
gonna try it anyways. I don't like mushrooms. Do I have to eat it?
I will have all of your mushrooms.
Like when I eat a pupusa, usually it's chicharrón. That's one of the most common ones. I'm very impressed by the vegan part of the food. I should incorporate
You
it
should
in my.
begin to be vegan.
Well, I do. I am a vegetable person.
That
here
was an
in-
awesome dad joke.
Oh.
And for our last and final taste test, Mirna, mother,
Hija.
mama, you're required to pick a card from the deck. Yes. Any card. Please take a look at the card. Show the camera. Show the audience. Place it back in the deck somewhere. We are now going to try calabacitas. Calabacita for you. Calabacita for me.
Right? Oh my gosh! I just saw chili right there.
Oh,
I
it's
do
too
not
spicy.
eat.
Hondurans
not.
don't do spice.
No, we don't
No.
eat any spicy food. It's very sad. This one is actually very, very tasty.
This is my favorite.
Look, Mommy, I'm eating all my green vegetables. Oh my gosh, this is so delicious. So I might become part vegan.
Mommy,
Yeah, my daughter.
there's actually something in my pupusa over here. Let's try and get it out.
Oh my
It is, it is a card. Was this your card?
That is my car.
On a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the highest, 1 being the lowest, what would you rate the spinach pupusa?
A 5. I was like, whoa. I was very surprised with that.
What would you rate the mushroom pupusa?
1. I did not like it at all.
And what would you rate the squash pupusa?
A 5. Mine is, the chili that it came with. It was really good too, and I'm gonna finish it. Overall, I was very amazed. When they told me you're gonna try vegan food, I'm like, oh my gosh. But I survived.
You know what? I think this two of clubs is vegan, so. Oh, that's pretty good too.